Hi, this is a duet for Old MacDonald Had a Farm in your lesson book, pages 22 and 23. We're going to do this duet twice. The first time will just be kind of a generic, easy duet, and the second one has a little more jazz to it. So again, we'll do it twice. So to begin with, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, ready, play. Okay, this time let's jazz it up a little bit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, ready, play.